Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. This is Ian. Today we're back in Medellin at a beautiful, potentially beautiful penthouse apartment. This is actually a legal daily rental building, and we are in the top floor in the penthouse, and this apartment has amazing bones. Let's go take a look. Start with the patio. Again, I know I'll be giving a lot away here, but we are in Provenza. The views here are really good. This is a brand new building going in right here. And the owner has actually lowered the price on this. And again, it's a daily rental building. So this beautiful space could be a great ROI income machine. So it has 4 bedrooms. Actually, sorry, this is the kitchen right here. Again, this is a very rough and ready apartment. Okay, lots of potential to open it up. Again, the living room space right here. And then here we have the social bathroom. Okay. I take that back. This is actually a 2-bedroom apartment. Okay. But it has really good balcony space with really good city views. Again, it's been on the market a little while, but I think its price is a little high because it's going to take at least probably $100,000 renovation to bring it up to speed. But again, you are in the heart of the tourist zone right here, as you can see. Right down there is Ocio restaurant, El Botanico restaurant right there, and then just down the street this way is Provenza proper. Actually, this is Provenza proper. But there's Arte Dolce down the street, El Social, and then Parque Lleras is only a few blocks beyond that. So as you can see, really beautiful view here. It's going to be a short video today. Here's the other bedroom. It has an ensuite and a little walk-in closet, but again, this is the kind of unit you can start knocking down walls and opening it up. There's a ton of potential here. Again, high ceilings. Take one last look at the balcony here. Again, heart of the tourist zone. Ready to start your renovation. Ton of potential here. As I said, this will be a short one today. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we will see you in the next video.